Meaning of ence.
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 Ence. The suffix ence is used to form nouns from adjectives or verbs, indicating a state or condition resulting from the action or quality denoted by the base word. It can also indicate an instance of the action or quality. For example, the adjective excellent becomes the noun excellence, which refers to the state or quality of being excellent. Similarly, the verb depend becomes the noun dependence, which refers to the state or condition of relying on something or someone. Overall, the ence suffix conveys the result or outcome of a particular action or quality.